Imagine writing a romance story and getting paid every time someone unlocks your chapters. That's the model these platforms use. Readers become invested in your characters and pay to continue reading. The more engaging your story, the more income you can generate. But success doesn't happen randomly. You need the right approach, consistent updates, and a strong understanding of what romance readers want. How these platforms work. GoodNovel, Dreame, and Stary Writing operate on a similar model. Writers upload stories chapter by chapter, allowing readers to follow along in real time. Once accepted into monetization programs, parts of the story become locked behind paywalls. Readers purchase coins or credits to unlock chapters. Writers earn a percentage of this revenue, which grows as engagement increases. This means the more readers you have, and the more chapters they unlock, the more money you make. Consistent uploads also help algorithms recommend your story to new audiences, increasing your earning potential significantly over time. Signing writer contracts. One of the main ways to earn is through writer contracts offered by these platforms. These agreements often include exclusive or non-exclusive options, each with different benefits. Exclusive contracts usually pay more but require you to publish only on that platform. Non-exclusive contracts allow flexibility but may offer smaller bonuses. Contracts often include upfront payments, milestone rewards, and revenue sharing. Some even offer promotional support. Carefully reading terms, understanding ownership rights, and evaluating long-term implications is crucial before signing any agreement to ensure you protect your work and maximize earnings. Paid chapters and unlock revenue. Once your story qualifies, you can lock chapters behind a paywall. Readers who want to continue reading must pay to unlock them, creating direct income. Romance readers often binge-read emotionally engaging stories, which increases earnings. Long novels with compelling characters and dramatic tension tend to perform well. This model rewards writers who maintain strong pacing. The more chapters you publish, the more earning opportunities you create. Writers who release frequent updates often see higher unlock rates because readers remain emotionally invested in the unfolding romance and storyline. Completion bonuses. Finishing your novel can also earn bonuses on many platforms. Completed stories attract readers who prefer binge reading entire romances without waiting. Platforms often reward completed novels because they improve reader satisfaction and retention. Completion bonuses may include cash rewards or additional promotion. Finished stories are easier to market and often recommended more frequently. This increases total chapter unlocks and boosts earnings. Completing your story also builds credibility as a reliable writer, encouraging readers to follow your future projects and invest in upcoming novels, reader gifts, and tips. Some platforms allow readers to send virtual gifts as appreciation for your story. These gifts convert into real money for writers. Engaging romance stories often inspire emotional reactions, encouraging readers to support authors financially. Building emotional connections with readers increases the likelihood of receiving tips. Responding to comments, thanking supporters, and interacting with fans strengthens this bond. Over time, frequent readers may become loyal supporters who regularly send gifts, creating an additional income stream beyond paid chapters and platform bonuses. Choosing profitable romance tropes. Certain romance tropes perform better than others. Billionaire romance, arranged marriage, enemies to lovers, rejected mate, and alpha romance consistently attract readers. Writing within trending tropes increases visibility because readers actively search for familiar themes. However, adding unique twists helps your story stand out in a crowded market. Combining tropes, such as billionaire enemies to lovers or arranged marriage fantasy, can broaden appeal. Understanding reader expectations and delivering emotional payoff increases engagement, helping your story gain traction and generate more revenue through chapter unlocks and bonuses. Writing for cliffhangers. Cliffhangers are essential for monetization. Ending chapters with suspense encourages readers to unlock the next one immediately. Romance stories benefit from emotional tension, misunderstandings, secrets, and unexpected twists. Strategic pacing keeps readers hooked. Each chapter should build anticipation for the next. Writers who master cliffhangers often see higher retention rates. This approach increases total chapter purchases. Consistently delivering dramatic endings ensures readers stay invested, maximizing revenue while also improving your story's ranking on the platform's recommendation system. Story length and earnings. Longer stories often generate more income because they offer more chapters to monetize. More chapters mean more unlock opportunities. Many successful writers publish novels exceeding 100,000 words. However, quality still matters. A long but repetitive story may lose readers. Balancing length and engagement is key. Adding subplots, character development, and emotional arcs keeps readers interested. Well-structured long stories create binge-reading behavior, increasing total unlocks and maximizing earnings throughout the life of your romance novel. Building a loyal reader base. Loyal readers are your biggest asset on these platforms. Responding to comments, thanking readers, and asking for feedback builds trust. Loyal fans often unlock every chapter and follow your future stories. This creates long-term earning potential. Engaged readers also promote your work by recommending it to others. Over time, your audience grows organically. Strong relationships with readers improve retention rates, ensuring consistent income across multiple stories and increasing your chances of receiving gifts and bonuses. Multiple story strategy. Writing multiple stories increases income opportunities. Each new story attracts new readers while existing fans support your latest work. Over time, you build a catalog generating continuous revenue. Multiple novels also reduce reliance on one story's performance. If one slows down, others continue earning. Experienced writers often rotate between projects. This keeps content fresh and audiences engaged. A growing library of romance stories strengthens your reputation and creates long-term passive income potential. Avoiding common mistakes. Many beginners quit too early before their stories gain traction. These platforms reward consistency and patience. Another mistake is ignoring reader preferences. Researching popular romance trends improves performance. Some writers fail to update regularly, losing engagement. Others sign contracts without understanding terms. Always review agreements carefully. Avoid overly slow pacing or lack of conflict, as readers may lose interest. Learning from feedback and adapting your writing style increases chances of success and steady income growth. Promotion outside the platform. Promoting your story on social media can significantly boost reads. Sharing quotes, character art, and teaser scenes attracts readers. External promotion increases visibility beyond the platform's algorithm. Building an audience on multiple platforms strengthens your brand. Some writers create newsletters or reader groups. These channels help announce updates and new releases. Increased exposure leads to more chapter unlocks and higher earnings. Consistent promotion ensures your story continues reaching new readers over time. Long-term income potential. Writers who stay consistent can build significant income over time. One successful romance story can generate ongoing revenue. Multiple stories increase earnings further. Older novels continue attracting new readers, creating passive income. As your audience grows, your future releases perform better. Many writers transition from hobbyists to full-time authors. The key is persistence and continuous improvement. Over months and years, your portfolio expands, increasing both visibility and earning potential across these platforms. Making money as a romance writer on GoodNovel, Dreame, and Stary Writing is absolutely possible. These platforms reward consistency, engaging storytelling, and understanding your audience. Start by choosing strong romance tropes, update regularly, and focus on building loyal readers. Over time, your stories can generate steady income. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow writers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.